Hi, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. If you have a broken garage door cable, maybe it's rusty, maybe it's frayed, and it's time to replace it, come visit us. We'll make sure that you get the correct part, that you get the correct cable, and that you can get it installed correctly. The most important thing with garage door cables is that they are under the tension of the spring. If you just pop it off, you might be asking for trouble. So our experienced staff can let you know how you can lock down your torsion system, or maybe even unwind the spring first, which is really the recommended way. We do carry the winding bars to help you do that. So when you buy from us, the most important thing is that we have the experience to help you out. We have the experience to answer all the questions that you might have, so you get the job done right, so that you get it done right the first time. So we'd be happy to have you come visit us today. We have all kinds of other parts, including springs, panels, all the garage door hardware. We can make sure that you get exactly what you need and give you the advice that will really help keep you safe. So thank you. We want you to have a blessed day, and we will see you when you get here.